Trouble hearing your teammates or being heard in Pubg Mobile? Let's fix your iPhone's audio issues so you can get back to that victory royale. First things first, let's check your iPhone's basic sound settings. Access your control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Ensure that your ringer and media volume are not turned all the way down or muted. Now navigate to the main settings app, scroll down and tap on sound and haptics. Make sure the ringer and alerts volume slider is not set to the lowest setting. Also, check that the change with buttons option is enabled if this setting is off. The physical volume buttons on your iPhone won't adjust your game's audio, so it's important to have this activated for easy sound control. Next, we need to grant Pubg Mobile the proper permissions for your microphone. Go back to the main settings screen and tap on Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security menu, find and tap on Microphone here. You'll see a list of apps that have requested microphone access. Ensure that the toggle next to Pubg Mobile is turned on, indicated by a green color. If it's off, your in-game voice chat won't function. Sometimes, a simple app reinstallation can resolve audio glitches. Return to your main settings, tap General, and then select iPhone Storage. Locate and tap on Pubg Mobile from the list. Tap Offload App. This action will remove the app but preserve your game data immediately after. Tap Reinstall App. This process can clear out any temporary software bugs that might be affecting your audio performance. Don't overlook the physical components. Gently clean the speaker and microphone openings on your iPhone. Use a soft, dry brush or a can of compressed air to dislodge any dust or debris that could be obstructing the sound output or input. This is a frequently overlooked, yet common, cause of audio problems. Finally, let's perform a full restart of your iPhone. Press and hold the side button along with either volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off. Wait a moment. Then press and hold the side button again to turn your iPhone back on. Launch Pubg Mobile and test your microphone and speakers. You should now have clear communication with your squad and crystal clear game audio.